we gotta go in here and get some free stuff, man. You know what? They only give free stuff to the gun bunny.
Why not be one?
Nah, fuck that. Hoochie Daddy season is coming though.
I'm gonna put them on.
No, you're not. Let's go.
I'm putting them on.
Come on, man.
Bro, what are you doing? I thought we were doing Hoochie Daddy stuff.
Oh, that's what we doing?
You know me?
Okay. Let's go, big dog.
Oh.
Let's go.
My man took it to the next level.
Listen,
Got
man.
to get all the
Listen, we got the AAC.
Oh,
We getting the bag today.
All right, now.
Hoochie Daddy. Let's go.
Hoochie Daddy season
free
in
stuff.
effect, boy. We about to get it in. Let's get it. Because it didn't violate the policy, he restored it. That's what it says. I reposted the exact same video at 15:55 today, and to my surprise, got the same violations. Are these computer-generated violations, or are these humans making these errors?
Man, we is out here. You ain't out here, you missed it.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
I mean, with the explanation, bro. All of my stuff.
Yeah. So I don't know yet.
Early in the morning.
I love the hair.
This the real killer right here.
Thank you.
Let me see the killer. Let me see the killer.
That's her right here.
7th year. It's just crazy. It's surreal to look back on it and think about it all. All these years that I've been doing this, and all the support that I've gotten from all of you is very humbling. It means a lot to me. I appreciate everybody being here, all the vendors, content creators. We work very hard to put this on. Brandy here works her butt off to put together this range day every year.
She really does.
So I've got Ryan Rapp here with Reputation Marketing. He wants to say a few words, and then we've got AGM here they're doing some night vision, beer pong, and some crazy stuff. So we'll get them to explain that here in a moment. But here's Ryan. Appreciate everybody.
Woo!
Oh, here we go. Yeah, so cool. Thanks, Eric, by the way. So, I want to talk a couple of seconds about reputation marketing or anything like that. If you look to your left and your right and you see someone doing the wrong thing, everyone is an RSO. You can just say, hey, bro, look, you're screwing up. Don't take it personally. If someone tells you you're doing something wrong, just accept it and fix it. All right? Everybody should have a blue wristband. Who does not have a blue wristband? If you don't have a blue wristband, you can't shoot. In fact, once the shooting starts, you can't be on this property. So if you don't have a blue band, you have to leave. 1 second. Yeah, no rifle rounds on the close steel. Now, the steel that's up close has an angle to it, and, you know,
Is that a 50?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe it was
Brown out shirt. It was.
Automatically was like,
Hey, Tony. Sorry to interrupt.
we write them a couple times. Like, oh,
We out here.
You know I'm getting serious with this, right? I'm finna truly test your product. I'm finna get the
User error.
taking the bag off. Taking the bag off.
That's a problem. Take the bag off.
All right. Come on, Chad. I got faith in you, gun, Chad.
I don't know if I have faith in you.
You see it? Chad.
Matt prepared. I love it. That's black.
You ready? It worked.
I know you work.
It worked. You're stretching help. You know, the stretching was it.
I was ordering it for you.
Hey,
That's the other good stuff.
you saw it. You saw it. You saw it. Y'all saw it.
Man, we out here with the 280. Look at this. See what we got?
Okay, and then just pop the slide back. Let's have a look. Okay. Good. Excellent. Cool. I didn't mean to put that on you. That's all right. That's all right.
Man, I'm out here with the unicorn herself. That's crazy.
I'm gonna be back and help you. Just
Yeah, right.
woo!
Y'all know when time.
Yeah, right. You know who I think I am exactly. I'm gonna let you know.
That's my daughter. I'm a girl playing a girl disguised as another girl.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like, yeah.
My man Sully. in the house. He in Georgia. I'm getting him to come back. I want to run with him. I want to see what that up north look like. Cause down here in the south, it is what it is.
Tap in, man. Tap in.
Right, you gotta get here.
Man,
Y'all missing
come
out.
here, man.
Y'all gotta
Come
stop
on.
playing. Stop playing.
All
We
day.
out here. We getting it in.
Tap in.